to mess up a good thing. Another night ruined, I don't even know when we became this way. Now you're acting so different than back when we
I just had to dust everything because here it kind of gets dusty. Carpets, and we have carpet, everything gets dusty. So yeah, this area. I kept this little backdrop that I have. It's literally a curtain. I kept it up only because Valentine's is coming up. So I figured, let me just leave it up. And then I'll figure out, I want to do like a butterfly background with like little lights. So I have that in mind. But for right now, I'm just going to keep this. I feel like it's nice. The red kind of like camouflages the light really nicely when I'm filming and things like that. So it looks really nice. So yeah, I just dusted everything, move everything around. Here, I just clean, of course, my beauty. I got all those brushes. I need to clean every single one of them. Literally need to clean those. I have some in the bathroom I need to clean as well. So just clean everything. And here, guys, this is all stuff that I need to try. So this Marilyn Monroe line, I will do a video on that. I'm going to film it this week. And I'm going to try this because I've never tried this before. Also, the palette that comes with it. Also going to create a look with this California ColourPop. I've never tried it as well. Also, these new Wet n Wild tinted hydrating foundation, but like tinted. But yeah, I have not tried that. I haven't tried the primers as well. So from Wet n Wild, I will be using that in a video too as well. And also this new little collection, like Wet n Wild has like a limited edition for Valentine's Day. So they have the little lipstick. I got the 2 blushes and the sponge that I want to try. And also these 2 oils that I'm going to try as well. I need to, oh, and then these little matte lips that I got as a gift from one of my friends, Stacy, which I thank her so much for that. So yeah, guys, so I gotta try this down here as well, the lash glue liner with lashes. So it was amazing because it actually came with lashes. So I'm really excited. So I might just do a video of these products that I've never used before and show and give you my review if I liked it or not, how it felt, whatever. And then I will do one also Wet n Wild. Then I'll just use all new, trying out these things, like my review and thoughts about it. Then of course my ColourPop, and then the Wet n Wild. So this is stuff that I literally need to do a video on, but I don't know, guys. Sometimes you get discouraged doing YouTube and it's just too much. Sometimes I get overwhelmed. So yeah, guys. So that's what that is. And here I clean my little, where my computer is. Here I have this little shelf my neighbor gave me, and I really like it. Like I like to put like little purses, my little wires, the headphones that I'm using. Also my little Foxy Babe hot iron, flat iron, and I also got some new pens and markers that I'm going to show you guys on my Instagram. I bullet journaling and all that good stuff. But I really would like to use this better for other stuff. I just don't know. Like, give me some ideas in the comments. What will you put here? I was thinking of like putting makeup that I haven't used or I need to use, and just put it back here. So I don't know. I'm still figuring out what to do there. My dog, because she was crying at my door because she wanted to come in here. And I just cleaned my desk and I kind of moved everything over here. This is my Bible. This is where I do all my studying, spending time with God, reading, all the good stuff. So yeah, guys, this is my final look of cleaning. That's all I need to bring downstairs for laundry, which I'm going to do today as well. I need to get some comforter, and put it nice. That is just my little pedicure and bags of other clothes that I either don't use right now or just don't have space for it. So yeah, guys, so this is final, nice and clean. I love when it's nice and clean. Like a clean room is what inspires me. It makes me want to film and all that good stuff. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my socials. So we say God bless.